today I won't be going to Tula Gorge Falls.
The HK buzzing like an AK for real. This year tough, I'm trying to stay sane for real. These girls coming with the same for real. For real.
Up in like all the way like North Georgia, almost damn near the border of Tennessee and Georgia. So that's a little day trip, you know, because I'm bored today. So yeah, that's gonna be for today's video, yo. We're gonna be going to Tula Gorge Falls. So I'll see y'all there, okay? What do you do, gorgeous?
How's it going?
All right. So where them cocks at?
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Hey, yeah. There's only 5.
Huh?
There's only 5. Goddamn, look at those big ass ones.
Which one you want?
Hey, wait, Monica.
A ver. Hey, chiqui. Hey, it's because you pulled his tail, that's why. Oh shit! Oh shit! Get him, Abel.
Got him, so stick, hold on. Got him, so stick.
Yeah, bro, there's a chicken right here. Hey, chiqui.
He doesn't attack him.
He's a hen. God damn it. We got a loose chicken.
Why are you shaking, chicken? Grab it.
He's probably scared.
We always grab them like this. I always grab them like this. They're cold.
That too.
Every single one of them is cold.
He just pecks it. He just pecks my legs. Gee.
He's trying to fly away.
Hold him tight. Wait, so how old is this one then? 7 months. How old is that one? Like what? Like about a month? Like a couple.
These aren't mini. This is as big as they get.
They're really?
Yeah.
Holy shit!
It's as big as they get.
Alrighty, y'all ready?
For real. Competition week and I play games for real. All I ever knew was live it up. Me and all the dogs on the dog right now, girl, sure enough. Tryna find balance, split it up. To love you right, I gotta give it up. Give it up. I'm in my bag again.
Alrighty, y'all. So we just made it here. All right, I'm done. Let's get to it.
Hey,
Nah, you thought.
Bro, what am I gonna do him like that, Alan? You got the bears. Are you talking about Chris? Yes. Jesus. It's a wolf. All right, Jesus Christ. Hell no, bro. Hold on. I don't remember. I don't think I ever saw the snakes here. Let me see. Oh, hell no, bro.
oh, this one already shed. Oh yeah.
Where's this one at?
Crazy.
Probably in his little home.
Oh, I can't see you.
Where's he now?
Oh, bro. I mean, it really did shed.
He's not over there.
Here, hold on. Let me see. Let me see.
There might be 2 in there because there's a lot of shed skin in there. It's a corn snake, eastern rat snake.
He's dead.
Is that all they have in there?
Yeah.
Where's the other one at? Probably the other one's in there. That's my best bet. Cabron! Oh, for what is it? Carnivores? Okay, here's your carnivores. That's a carnivore?
Yeah.
What? I didn't know that. I understand these.
Omnivores.
But I didn't. Oh, he's an okay. The scavengers? Which are the scavengers?
It's a tree.
Alan, what do you mean you have to take a shit, bro? I told you there's bathroom. What the? Oh, overlook. Okay. All right. Yeah, bro. Nah, bro, we gonna beat up nature. That's what we're gonna do. Bah. We're not one with nature. We're beating nature.
Yeah, me duele la cabeza.
Damn, bro. Oh, so wiener dog. All right, here's the worst part: is all these damn stairs.
I don't think we're prepared for this.
Oh, no, I mean, I'm kind of am because I've been doing the Stairmaster a lot recently. So I'll be okay. Huh?
I climb a ladder for a living.
That is true. So, but it's the going up part that's what sucks. Yep, yeah. My calves are burning up a little bit. This is gonna be absolute hell.
Hey man, you say you do the Stairmaster, right?
I know,
I want to be here.
but not enough to stay on this, but just enough to at least control my breathing. I'm gonna be huffing and puffing after this, but not as much.
Cramp.
Do not get no cramp right here, bro. Hey, what's down here, Alan? There's nothing here.
What do you mean? There's wood?
Yeah, there's wood.
We can survive here.
It ends right here.
We got shelter. We got firewood.
I mean, if you don't want to rebel, there's a little bit of a rebel right there. Oh, it's moving.
It's moving.
It's 100% moving. So
Moving more. That's
you gotta walk a little bit like side to side in order for it to. That way it doesn't shake you as badly.
what?
You gotta like walk like side to side a little bit, like a little bit of a zigzag.
What?
You heard me, boy.
No,
You heard me.
you-
Oh, then you got a little spider right there. Yeah, it's gonna be.
Huh?
It's gonna be steep as fuck. So get your calves ready, Alan. Do not fall, Alan. Why are we running? That's my question. Why are we running? Let me see. Let me see your legs. Are they shaking?
It's twitching.
Let me see. You can see it a little bit. Mara shaking like a little bit, like a tiny bit. Not much though. What about you, Abel? How's your legs doing? Oh, what is that? Oh. I had a whole ass ant on me. I had a whole ant.
Is that what you said?
Yeah. Because I don't know, I felt something crawl on me and I was like, what is that? It was just an ant. Main, like the more known waterfall. But yeah, I mean, imagine trying to like get through there, trying to hop those rocks to get to that side and then we'll start walking down. Alrighty, y'all, now for the worst part of all. Going up these stairs. Hold on, goddammit. Hold on. Hey, we're almost there though. We literally have to like one more set of stairs. And then we're at the very top. Ah, shit. Alright, we're almost there, y'all. We literally have like one more set of stairs left before we get to the top.
Why didn't we agree to this?
Hey, y'all agreed to this, so.
Well, you see, I forgot how bad it was. This is not it. We still gotta go up the other stairs.
There's still more to see. There's still more to see. I've only ever seen half of this park. I've never seen the full thing. You is sweating. We'll see you at the top.
Hey, buy a harbor shopping spree. Hop on top of me. Do some shit for you for once. You do a lot for me. I was fucking with it. I gotta ride with me. Real shit, real shit, real shit, real shit. Real. Yeah. Hop on top of me. Do some shit for you for once. You do a lot for me. I was fucking with it. Real. I got a lot with me. Real shit, real shit, real shit, real shit. Oh, everything is earned in this life, baby. Nothing given. Heard you cut your bestie off. I know that was a tough decision. Sleeping in the Pistons locker room. I'm on another mission. K, Cunningham, let this crops. Yeah, fuck you in on.
Someone goes, who threw that? That would have been funny, honestly. Who threw that rock? Damn, it started raining. Fuck. Ooh. Alright, yeah, in case you're wondering why I'm filming on my iPhone, it started pouring a little bit. I don't want the camera to get wet, so the quality changed a little bit, that's why. But I'm gonna still keep on filming, even with an iPhone camera. So, yeah, just let y'all know. Nobody? He waved. Did he?
Yeah, the old man right here.
What a G, bro. Bro, are everybody getting the freeway for real? Oh, no, we're not. Okay.
Yeah, we are.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Let's go down there. I'm kind of curious what's over there now. Oh, picnic area. Decent restrooms.
Wow.
What the fuck? Are we supposed to be here right now? Yeah, I said there was bathrooms here. Where the bathrooms at? Where's the beach area? First off, I don't see no beach. I don't see no beach. It said there was a beach over here. Hey, well, how many pulls can you do?
None.
None? Hold on. Let me see if I can do one, actually. Alan, see if you can do one.
I can't.
Come on, you can do it.
I just tried. I couldn't.
All right. It's been a while, but... No, can't do it. No, I give up. All right. We're on a new trail. To be honest, I actually never been this part of the park before. So, oh look, it's the beach area. So I see a beach area over there. Let's see if it looks as nice. Damn, Mabel, your calves are pumped right now. Let's go, Alan. Let's go. Dale, dale, dale. Córrele, córrele, córrele. Run. God damn, Alan. Hold on. Wow. We made it, boys. Anyway. Oh shit. Damn, y'all.
Start digging in your butt when shoo wop, shoo wop.
Have you ever had a shit like that that looks like that?
Yeah. I have, unfortunately.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
It was not pretty. Let's take a look and see why this is closed off. There's a sign up here, so let's see what it says. Okay. Beach closed for season. So this is the beach.
Yeah.
I smell grapes. Y'all smell grapes? I smell grapes. It smells really good, actually. Have you ever eaten like wild grapes before? Not that bad. All right, yeah, so we're in the last bit of Tallulah. We're now on the other side. We're right over there. Right over there. And also, my camera died, so we're gonna be doing the rest of the video on an iPhone, which is still fine. But yeah, just figured I'll let y'all know. We're in the last bit of it. We got like, I think like a couple overlooks left to see, but we'll be finished by then.
Man, that's all over. Yeah. You wondering what this was for? Or what it was? It was a suspension on.
Ah, damn, y'all, it's raining again. Fuck. Well, I mean, it looks pretty cool over there, though. Look at the rain with over the gorge. It looks pretty cool. Look at this.
Hey. Live from the Mitch. Yeah. The HK bustin' like an AK for real. This year tough, I'm tryna stay sane for real. These girls coming with the same for real. For real. Competition week and I play games for real. All I ever knew was live it up. Me and all the dogs on the dog right now, girl, sure enough. Tryna find balance, split it up. To love you right, I gotta give it up. Give it up. I'm in my bag again. Don't get you mad again. Booty so big that they think you're East African. You get so loose in my room, I don't know what's happening. She says I'll be your girl when words match your actions and